Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to divide fractions in two ways. The first way is dividing fractions visually by modeling it. I joined the Walk for Life one day. I looked at the route and it said you walk 4 miles. I remembered that I could walk 2/3 of a mile per hour. I was very curious to know how long the walk would take me so that I could plan things for the rest of the day. That would be my problem because this could happen in a real world situation. We need to find a dividend in a division problem, and in this case 4 miles is our dividend because it's the whole. So the first part of our division problem would be writing 4. Now we need to find the divisor. So we're going to divide by what? I remember that I could walk 2/3 of a mile every hour. So that's your divisor. And that is our problem. When finding a problem with distance, you're always going to have to draw a number line to make it easier. So let us draw the number line. We need to divide this number line into 4 holes because each hole is 1 mile. So that's one hole, that's another hole, and that's another hole. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 holes right now. Now that we have our number line into 4 holes, now we need to make thirds in each of them because you're dividing the whole by 2/3. So there's thirds, 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 and thirds. Since we are dividing 4 by 2/3, we need to find how many 2/3 fit in 4 holes. So there's 1 2/3, there's another, 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 and another. So those are how many 2/3 we have. Now we need to count them up. They equal 6 in total. There are 6 groups. Now we have to relate back to the first slide. The question was, how long will it take for me to walk the path? What we do is we transform this answer into time. So it said 2/3 per hour, and there are 6 groups. So you know it will take 6 hours, and that is your answer. Now we will start with the second way. The second way is multiplying it by the reciprocal. A reciprocal is turning the fraction around. For example, if we have 3/4, the reciprocal would be 4/3. And we are going to use this method in multiplying fractions. Multiplying fraction is the same as dividing fractions, except you just need to change the reciprocal. Oh, we are going to use the same problem as before. Don't forget what the division problem was. The problem was 4 divided by 2/3. 4 is a mixed number, so now we need to make it into an improper fraction. Since we are multiplying, we're going to put the multiplication sign and the reciprocal, which is now 3 2's. This is our problem. Now, in order to multiply this, you need to multiply these 2 numbers and these 2 numbers, and that is how you get your answer. 4 times 3 equals 12, and 1 times 2 equals 2. And now all we need to do is add a line to divide the numerator by the denominator, and that is your answer. 12 over 2 is an improper fraction. We need to make this a mixed number. So the way we're going to do that is finding out how many times 2 goes into 12. We know that 2 goes into 12 6 times. So 6 would be our answer. If you are confused about words, this is the right page for you, because now we're going to have the meanings. Here are the definitions.